Hi guys, I'm Cassie from Faodail Creation and I upload videos every single Wednesday right here on this channel. They're all about how to use your sewing machine or simple sewing tips and tricks. So in the last video I showed you how to make the binding. In this video I'm going to show you how to attach the binding and sew it in place to your project. Now I want to start a little bit past the centre here, because I need to leave an open space in order to finish this off. So I'm going to put it in here. I have my 1/4 inch foot on and I am going to sew all the way down to the first corner. Now I'm just going to stop and cut that off. I'm going to stop with a 1/4 inch clearance to the end of my project. Now what we do is we bring this up like so, and we're going to fold this back down onto itself. So it's going to be a nice mitered corner. I shall show you that again. So it goes across there. It's going to go up like so, and then it's going to fold down on itself, and I'm going to start right at the beginning and sew all the way down. I'm just going to get a clip and clip that in place just so it stays in the corner there. And guys, there's probably very different ways of creating binding. This is the way I was taught and I found that this way has been good for me. So I'm going to start this from the very top here, and I'm going to go all the way down. Now I'm coming to this next corner and I'm going to stop a 1/4 inch, completely take it out of the machine and do my fold again. Here we go. The fabric, the binding is going across. We're going to lift the binding up and I'm going to fold it back down on itself like that. And I'm just going to get one of my clips. I'm going to clip that in place. I'm going to sew all the way from the top all the way down. I'm going to leave that 1/4 inch gap again, cut it off, take it completely out of your machine. So once again we're back at that corner, so it's going across, then you pull it up, then you pull it back down, and then you just go sew all the way down. So you're starting right at the beginning again, all the way down. You come into that corner here, so you're going to leave a 1/4 inch. Completely cut it off, take it out of the machine and refold. So here we are. We're going to take that strip up and then we're going to fold it back on itself. We're going to clip it in place. So I'm at this last corner. I'm going to take it from the very beginning. So because this is the end, I'm not going to go too far because I want to leave some room for myself. So I'm going to cut this off. So now we're ready for part 3 of ending this opening right here. But as you can see, when you flip these corners out, it creates this lovely binded edge, and then that's what it's going to look like on the other side. So that is how to attach the binding in place. Part 3 of this video is how to finish this part off. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing, what you would like to see more of, what you'd like to see less of. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.